is lung auscultation trainer, which is used to auscultate the various lung sound which is produced by the lungs in various disease condition. Let's see. So for more training programs, let's visit RH Healthcare Simulation Center, Gopalpura Bypass Road, Triveni Nagar, Choraya, Jaipur, Rajasthan.